Welcome back to my channel, everyone. I'm so excited to have you join me for another fun and creative experiment. Today, I'm diving headfirst into the colorful and sometimes intimidating world of at-home nail art. I've always admired those intricate designs you see online, but I've often wondered just how achievable they are for someone who isn't a professional. Specifically, I'm going to be tackling 10 different designs that are all labeled easy and beginner-friendly. We've all seen those tutorials, right? The ones that promise salon-worthy nails in just a few simple steps. Well, I'll be putting those claims to the test by trying each one out step by step right here in my little home studio. I'll show you the entire process, the good, the bad, and the potentially very messy. And to keep things truly accessible, I'll be sticking to basic tools that most of us already have lying around the house. Things like bobby pins, toothpicks, and of course, trusty old tape. No fancy professional equipment needed for this challenge. The ultimate goal here is to see if a regular person, that's me, your average nail art enthusiast, can actually pull these designs off and achieve some decent-looking results. Can we really create beautiful nails at home without years of training? That's what we're here to find out. All without breaking the bank on expensive equipment or spending hours perfecting complicated techniques. This is all about achievable nail art for the everyday person. So grab your favorite polish colors, gather your basic tools, and let's get started on this nail art adventure together. I'm excited to see what we can create. First up, the classic polka dot, supposedly the easiest nail art ever. I'm testing both a dotting tool and a bobby pin for this pastel blue and white look. The trick, keep the polish amount consistent for even dots. Verdict, satisfying, simple, and totally doable for beginners. Now, let's move on to the striped accent nail. This design is a classic for a reason, offering a touch of sophistication and visual interest to your manicure. It's a fantastic way to elevate a simple color palette and add a bit of personality to your nails. Achieving those crisp, clean lines might seem daunting, but it's chic and surprisingly easy with tape. Nail tape is your best friend here. It comes in various widths, allowing you to customize the thickness of your stripes. For this particular design, I'm using navy and white, a timeless combination that evokes a nautical vibe. Feel free to experiment with different color combinations to match your personal style or the season. Perhaps a pastel pink and white for spring, or a gold and black for a more glamorous look. The key to a perfect striped nail is carefully placing the tape to ensure crisp lines. Press the edges down firmly to prevent any polish from seeping underneath. This step is crucial for achieving that professional-looking finish. Paint, using thin, even coats. Avoid applying too much pressure, as this can cause the polish to bleed under the tape. 2 thin coats are usually better than 1 thick one for optimal coverage and a smooth finish. Now for the satisfying part, peel the tape while the polish is still wet. This prevents the polish from chipping or pulling away with the tape. A slow and steady hand is key here. And reveal a perfectly straight stripe. See? It's like magic. The clean lines create a striking contrast and instantly elevate your manicure. The tape trick is a game changer for achieving clean designs. It eliminates the need for a steady hand and allows you to create intricate patterns with ease. This one feels like a pro move, doesn't it? The finished result looks like it came straight from a salon, with perfectly defined lines and a flawless finish. But the best part is, it's beginner-friendly. With a little patience and the right tools, anyone can achieve this stunning striped nail design at home. So go ahead, give it a try and impress your friends with your newfound nail art skills. Time for a glitter gradient. Sparkle without the mess. Dab glitter polish at the tip and fade it down for a soft ombre effect. After a top coat, it's glam, quick, and looks way more advanced than it is. The two-tone diagonal nail is all about bold color blocking. Paint one color, let it dry, tape diagonally, then add the second color. Peel for a sharp, modern look. Patience with drying is key. Super striking, super simple. Let's try a floral design using dots for petals and a center. A toothpick or dotting tool works. Just keep the dots close and light. It's cute, quick, and forgiving if you don't overload the polish. The French manicure, but easier, use nail vinyls or tape for a crisp colored tip. I'm going with lavender for a modern twist. Stick, paint, peel, and you've got a perfect curve. No freehand stress, just clean, elegant results. For a heart accent, make 2 dots with a toothpick, then drag them down to a point. I'm doing a red heart on a beige base. It's a little lopsided, but definitely a heart. With practice, this is a sweet, easy detail. Ombre nails look advanced, but a makeup sponge makes it easy. Paint stripes of color on the sponge, dab onto a white base, and blend. Clean up the edges, and you've got a soft, pro-looking gradient. Messy, but worth it. Negative space nails are trendy and minimalist. Use tape to block off a triangle, paint over and peel for a sharp geometric look. It's bold and easy and looks super modern. Marble nails, simplified. Drop blobs of polish on a wet base, dab with plastic wrap. Black, white, and silver swirl into a unique marble effect. Don't overmix, and each nail is a mini masterpiece. Easiest wow factor of the bunch. So, after all the meticulous work, the careful application, and the hours spent perfecting each design, we've reached the grand finale. That's 10 unique and stunning nail art designs showcased, each with its own distinct personality and flair. These aren't just any designs, they're beginner nail art designs crafted with simplicity and ease in mind. They're perfect for anyone looking to dip their toes into the world of nail art without feeling overwhelmed. We wanted to create something accessible and fun for everyone regardless of their skill level. And the best part? They've all been thoroughly tested. We put each design through its paces to ensure they're not only beautiful, but also durable and long-lasting. Now, if I had to pick a few, my favorites, I'm particularly drawn to the minimalist French tip. There's something so classic and elegant about its simplicity. It's a timeless design that never goes out of style. And then there's the marble effect. It's just so mesmerizing to look at. The swirling patterns and intricate details create a truly unique and eye-catching design. Both look pro, like you just stepped out of a high-end salon. But the secret is, they are so easy to achieve at home. You don't need to be a professional nail artist to recreate these looks. So, with all these options laid out before you, which one will you try first? The possibilities are endless. I'm genuinely curious to hear your thoughts. Let me know in the comments which design caught your eye and which one you're most excited to recreate. And while you're down there, don't forget to like, subscribe to the channel for more nail art inspiration, and tag me if you recreate any of these looks. I'd absolutely love to see your creations. Thanks so much for watching and joining me on this nail art journey. I really appreciate your support. I hope you found some inspiration and can't wait to see what you create. See you next time!